Today we are going to study refraction of light, which is the chapter of Stein's standard in Science and Technology Part 1. We are studying already in the standard 8 or 9th what is the process of refraction, but we have to revise this here. What is the refraction? Refraction means what? Just listen that. When light is transparent from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, it changes its direction. This process is called as refraction. Just observe that this is one of the activity in which PQRS is the outline of a glass slab. Means the area inside PQRS is of a glass, and the area outside the PQ and area outside the SR are the air. Here observe carefully, when this light ray means AB is incident on a glass slab at the point normal, that's time this incident ray passes through air medium to glass medium, air medium to glass medium. That's time what's happened, just listen that. Actually, if AB is the incident ray, then if it is the same medium, then ray will be passed as a AB up to the in this way as like dotted line. But what happens when the medium is changed? Means when light ray is travels from air to glass, that's time light ray change its direction in this way. Actual direction is like the dotted line, but it changes its direction, means it's based towards the normal, and due to this the actual path of light rays get changes. This process of change in the direction of light when it passes from one transparent medium to another transparent medium is called as refraction. Same processes happen when light is traveled from glass to air. Observe that this ray is coming, means it is a ray traveling from the glass medium. When it passes to the another transparent medium, that is the air medium, then what happen? It bends away from normal. It bends away from normal. Actually, this is normal. It bends away from normal. So this is also the process of refraction. When process of refraction is happen, just listen that. When light ray is travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, it changes its direction, and this process is called as refraction of light. It is not necessary that the transparent medium must be air and glass, whatever it may be. When it is passes from air to water, or when it passes from water to air, that's time also the light ray changes its direction. This process is called as refraction. So you all know that what is the refraction process. It is very easy process. It happens in nature naturally when light rays transfer from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. There are some examples of the refraction of light in the nature. When light ray is transferred from air medium to water medium in the river, that's time the direction it gets changed. That's why we see inside the water the bottom will be up in front of us. This is because of the refraction of light. When we dip a pencil in a glass and we pour water inside that, then we see the curved part of pencil in water. Means the water, pencil inside the water appears separate and pencil outside the water appears separate. This is also example of refraction. Means we see the two parts. We see the breakage part of pencil because of refraction of light. So it is clear that what is refraction? Refraction is the process in which light ray changes its direction when media is changed. So what happens actually in the refraction process? When we know that the air is the rarer medium. It is rarer medium, and we know that the glass is the denser medium. We already know that what is rarer and denser. The medium having the low density is called rarer medium. Medium having high density is called as denser medium. So when light ray travel from rarer to denser medium, then it bends towards the normal. And when light ray travels from denser to rarer medium, then light rays bends away from normal. In this way, the change in direction takes place. If light rays travel from rarer to denser, light rays bends towards the normal, and when light rays travel from denser to rarer, it bends away from normal. But what happens when the light rays enters, that is with angle of 90 degree, that is perpendicular? If the entering light rays are perpendicular to the surface or media, then it passes in the same direction without deviation. Means when the incident light rays are of 90 degree, they are perpendicular, then when medium is changed, although medium is changed, there is no change in direction of light. In this way, the refraction processes happen and the change in direction takes place. There are a lot of examples of refraction in our daily life. We happen that so students, actually by this process and by doing this activity in our regular routine, we have to know the refraction process practically if we carry out this process in a laboratory. Practically in physics lab, we know what is the process of refraction is going on. So thanks students for watching my video. If you like that, share, subscribe. Thank you.